In this video, I am going to show you how to connect your Shopify store to CJDropshipping. There are two methods to do so. 1. Install CJDropshipping app from the Shopify App Store. Go to the Shopify App Store and search for CJDropshipping. Click on the CJDropshipping app, then click Add App to install it to your Shopify store. Follow the prompts to set up CJDropshipping app on your Shopify store. You may need to sign in to your CJDropshipping account or create a new one if you don't have one. Grant necessary permissions to the CJDropshipping app to access your Shopify store data. Once installed the app, you may need to configure settings based on your preferences. The second method is manual authorization. Log in to your CJDropshipping account and navigate to the authorization section. Under the Shopify tab, click on Add Stores. Provide the default URL of your Shopify store. You can find this URL in your Shopify admin settings. Follow the prompts to log into your Shopify account and authorize CJDropshipping to connect to your store. After completing the connection, you should see a pop-up indicating authorization success. You can also review the status of your authorized store in the authorization section of CJDropshipping dashboard. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.